Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like your dating life is stuck on repeat? You ask the same questions, get the same polite but unenthusiastic answers, and watch the spark fizzle before it even ignites. You're not alone. Many men fall into the trap of dull, predictable conversations, turning dates into monotonous interviews. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle? A way to ignite genuine connection and leave her wanting more? We're not talking about cheesy pickup lines or contrived scenarios. We're talking about genuine playfulness, the kind that stirs emotions and creates lasting impressions. In this video, we'll dive into 5 powerful conversational games that will transform you from a boring guy into the man she can't stop thinking about. Get ready to ditch the surface-level questions and unlock the secrets to magnetic attraction. Because the truth is, connection isn't about logic. It's about emotion. And emotions thrive in the realm of playful interaction. Now let's dive in. Number 1. Who are you really? Unveiling layers of personality. Let's face it, asking generic questions like, "What do you do?" feels like a job interview, not a romantic encounter. It puts people on the defensive, forcing them to present a polished, often inauthentic version of themselves. Instead, try a game that invites her to explore her inner world. Start by asking, if you could be any animal, what would it be and why? This simple question opens a window into her personality, revealing her values, aspirations, and even her sense of humor. But don't stop there. Take it a step further by asking, okay, but if you couldn't be that animal, what else would you be? And then, and if you had to pick a third? Now, for the magic touch, the first animal is who you think you are. The second is who your friends think you are. The third is who you really are. This playful interpretation will pique her curiosity and spark a deeper conversation. She'll either be intrigued by your insight or challenge you to explain yourself. Either way, you've created a memorable moment. This game isn't just about getting answers. It's about creating a sense of intrigue and making her feel seen on a deeper level. By prompting her to reflect on her own identity, you're inviting her into a more intimate and engaging exchange. This approach transforms a mundane conversation into an exploration of self, making you stand out as a man who understands the art of genuine connection. Number 2. Playful teasing. Escaping the friend zone. The friend zone is a dreaded destination for many men, often the result of being too nice and predictable. To avoid this, inject playful teasing into your interactions. Remember, teasing isn't about being mean or insulting. It's about creating a spark of challenge and intrigue. For example, if she mentions she's from a particular city, instead of a bland, "Oh, cool," try a playful, "Oh, so you're one of those," insert playful stereotype related to the city. Then, let it hang in the air for a moment. She'll likely respond with a curious, "Wait, what do you mean?" This simple technique demonstrates confidence and keeps the conversation light and engaging. It shows you're not afraid to be a little cheeky, which is a refreshing change from the usual polite but uninspiring banter. Playful teasing creates a sense of tension and excitement, making you more memorable and preventing you from being categorized as just another nice guy. It's about showing her that you're confident enough to challenge her in a lighthearted way, which is incredibly attractive. This approach transforms a simple conversation into a dynamic exchange, elevating your presence from forgettable to unforgettable. Number 3. The cold read game. Instant intrigue. Instead of relying on mundane questions, try the cold read technique. This involves making bold, seemingly insightful guesses about her personality or background. For example, instead of asking, "Where are you from?" try, "You strike me as a insert city state girl." Whether you're right or wrong is irrelevant. The point is to spark curiosity and engagement. If you're wrong, she'll be eager to correct you and tell you more about herself. If you're right, she'll be amazed by your perceptiveness. Either way, you've created a memorable moment. This game is about demonstrating confidence and intuition, qualities that are highly attractive. It shows you're not afraid to take risks and make bold statements, which can be incredibly intriguing. By making guesses, you're shifting the dynamic from a passive QA session to an active, engaging exchange. This approach transforms a simple conversation into a captivating interaction, making you stand out as a man who is both confident and perceptive. Number 4. The open-ended question game, sparking imagination. Boring conversations are often the result of closed-ended questions that elicit simple, predictable answers. To break free from this, use open-ended questions that invite her to use her imagination and share her thoughts and feelings. For example, instead of asking, "What are your hobbies?" try, "If you won the lottery tomorrow, what's the first thing you'd do?" This question invites her to dream and share her aspirations. Take it a step further by adding, "Would you split it with me?" This playful addition keeps the energy light and flirty. Open-ended questions encourage her to elaborate and reveal more about herself, creating a deeper connection. They also allow you to learn more about her values, dreams, and sense of humor. By asking questions that spark imagination and encourage reflection, you're creating a more engaging and memorable conversation. This approach transforms a simple conversation into a journey of discovery, making you stand out as a man who is genuinely interested in her inner world. Number 5. The 3 choices game. Playful decisions. Instead of asking generic questions about preferences, use the 3 choices game to add a playful twist. For example, instead of asking, "Where would you want to live?" try, "Would you rather live on a beach, in a mountain cabin, or a fancy penthouse?" This format makes the question more engaging and fun. Then, add a playful tease based on her choice, such as, "A penthouse? Damn, I didn't realize I was dealing with royalty." This approach keeps the conversation light and entertaining. The 3 choices game adds a layer of fun and spontaneity to the conversation, making it more memorable. It also allows you to gauge her personality and sense of humor. By offering playful choices and adding a touch of teasing, you're creating a dynamic and engaging interaction. This approach transforms a simple conversation into a playful adventure, making you stand out as a man who knows how to have fun. So, there you have it. 5 powerful conversational games that will transform you from a boring guy into the man she can't stop thinking about. Remember, attraction isn't about logic, it's about emotion. Women are drawn to men who make them feel something, who spark their curiosity, and who create memorable experiences. By incorporating these playful techniques into your conversations, you'll not only make your dates more engaging, but also create genuine connections that leave a lasting impression. Ditch the mundane questions, embrace the art of playfulness, and watch your dating life transform. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on mastering the art of attraction. Remember, the man who can make her laugh and feel something real wins every time.